Alright, the last one that we're going to do for this little section is graphing. And what we need to determine is what can we figure out. Well, a couple things we can figure out. We can figure out that my y-intercept, when I put 0 in here, is 4 times -1 squared, which gives me 4. Also notice it's cubic because I got 1x here and 2 x's there, so it's x cubed, and it's a positive, so it's going to start down here and end up here. My x-intercepts are -4 and +1. I know when I go through -4, because it has an odd multiplicity, it is going to go through it. As I come down to 1, because it's an even multiplicity, it bounces and comes back up. So roughly that's what we know. Do I really know this is what my max, my relative max? Not exactly, but I just kind of guessed. We don't know that off the top of our head at this moment. Okay, on this one, we do -3 cubed, -2 squared to get us our y-intercept, which is negative. Let's see here. -27 times 4 will be -108. We have a y-intercept of 3. I'm sorry, x-intercept of 3 and 2. This one's kind of weird because the y-intercept's so big that we really can't put it on the paper if we had one. So what we would do is we would say, okay, here is -108. Then we would do 2 and our 3 right there. So we know it's also a odd power. So we know that it starts here, ends up here. So it goes something like this. We go through here. 2 is the first one, has a multiplicity of an even multiplicity, so it bounces, goes up, and then comes back up again. It kind of looks odd because of how big our y-intercept is. Then our last one is -3x, x plus 2, x minus 4. Well, right off the bat, I know that I have my y-intercept of 0 because of that random one out there. So I know one of my x-intercepts is 0, 0. Also -2, 0, and 4, 0. So do 0, 0. Now this is different. It's a negative, so I know that it goes up here and it goes here. So I have -2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I go down, go through because it's an odd multiplicity, go up through 0, 0 because it's an odd multiplicity, and then I'm going to go back down to finish it off. All right, that's the first section.